I'm going to show you a 2004 Dodge Cummins Turbo Diesel 2500. It's a 3/4 ton. What else? It's got close to 200,000 miles on it. It's got a rebuilt transmission and a new leather interior. Brand new tires too. Well, brand new. I think they're maybe a year old, but they still have the rubber nubs on them. All right, let me show you around. I'll also try to point out any damage I see. It's got a couple rock chips up in the windshield. Scratch. You can see the rub marks getting in a garage, looks like. Few bumps on the back bumper there. Some light surface rust there on the receiver hitch. A few scratches back there. Line of sight down the body there looks pretty straight. It's the SLT trim level. There's some scratching right through here, and it kind of comes back into the wheel well there. A little right front corner damage. It's got the high energy lights, headlights. I don't even know what they're called. High energy discharge headlights. Keep trying to get too close to it. There's your good overall. The current owner had the leather interior put in right when He bought it maybe about, I don't know, 8 or 9 years ago. It's in really good shape. My friend told me that the reason it says lamp out is because of that high discharge light that he put in, since it wasn't stock. Then he put in an Alpine radio that has XM. Of course, that's, you've got to pay for the monthly fee for the XM to work, but CD player in it. It is four-wheel drive. I got some screws, got some bolts there for the 3 that are missing on the outside of the wheel wells, and I think maybe the shop that put them on stripped them out so they fell out, and I just haven't purchased the nuts for the backside so that I could get up back in there and put those on. So that'll go with the truck. The radio does have Bluetooth and it'll hook up to your phone, and as you can tell, it does have a hard wire here to hook up to your phone too. It does have a computer that's just now showing 15.1 miles per gallon. Again, I don't know, if that's pulling anything or over what distance that is, but that's what it's showing.